So we're at Daytona in Sandown Park with Adrian Flux today, and I'm Matt Armstrong, and we're going to be testing out a few little things on this track today. So we're going to be racing with a go-kart first, and then we're going to be taking one of my project cars on the track to race against the go-kart, comparing the times between the two different, well, you'd say motor vehicles. I'm going to go with a car, but we'll see. We'll find out. Let's get in the go-kart and try it out. Okay, warm up done. I'm ready for that actual lap now, the proper lap time. This car is quicker than I originally thought. I'm not making excuses up for my car, but I feel like this is going to be a lot quicker, but we'll soon find out. Okay, so lap done. I feel like I did some better laps in practice, but that's not an excuse. What's going to be a bit strange now is going from this back into my car, because the steering is so tight on the go-kart comparing it to a car steering, but we'll find out. I'll adapt and overcome. Okay, so the car we're going up against the go-kart is the 140i. This is obviously stage 2 tuned, so it's around 430 bhp at the minute. A lot quicker than the go-kart, but will it be quicker around the track? We'll soon find out, and I've got to get used to the car first. Okay, practice lap's done. It is like, I can't even explain how much different it is in a car to what it's like in a go-kart. The track is so tight, and you have to be really careful on the throttle with this because it's so snappy coming out the corners. But it's hard to tell. We're only going to be able to find out from this lap onwards. Let's do it. 1 Series versus go-kart. I'm not going to launch start because all I'll do is just spin. No pressure. This is a definite gear 3 corner. There's literally no racing line in a car because the track is so tight. Follow the brakes. Long right hander. This is a tricky one to get that on. I've got to be quicker than that go-kart. Come on, 1 Series. I know you've got it in you. Little 140i. This is definitely quicker, surely. Oh, a bit oversteer. Traction control sorted that. And the final corner. Come on. Come on, 1 Series. Late on the throttle. Let's go! That's got to be quicker. There's no way that's slower than the go-kart. Definitely a lot more difficult in the car. The track is really, really tight compared to the go-kart. But I've really enjoyed it. It is so much fun. So if you've got a go-kart track and you've got a car, then put 2 and 2 together. But that was so much fun. but it's time to see the results, I guess. Okay, so lap times done in both vehicles, completely different experiences in each of them. I have no idea what the lap time was on each of them. For me, I felt like the 140i was quicker. Like, I just felt like it was quicker. It was more involved than the go-kart, weirdly enough. People will probably say that, yeah, the go-kart, you're being thrashed around left, right and centre, but I just had to concentrate more on the 140i and it just felt quicker. But we're about to find out. The results are going to be text to my phone. Here we, oh my God, it's ridiculously close. I did not think that it was that, no. So the go-kart time is 55 seconds, 0.098. And the 140i time was 55.23. So the go-kart, well, me and the go-kart were actually quicker than the 140i. Well, who would have thought it? A go-kart around a go-kart track was quicker. But that was so much fun. Massive thanks to everyone down here and Adrian Flux for letting this video happen. I'm so surprised that the go-kart won, but maybe round 2 next.